In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update Filmora app to the latest version. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, by updating your app to the latest version, you'll be able to fix security issues related to the older version of your app. You'll also be able to fix bugs as well as get the latest features that come with the latest version of Filmora app. Now, to do this, you'll need to access Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and I'll go ahead and look for Play Store and then tap on it. I'll go ahead and search for the app, and here's my app, and then I'll go ahead and tap on it. Now, as you can see, we have an update available, which means that I've been using an outdated version of Filmora app, which is not secure and does not contain the latest features. To update it, just go ahead and tap on update, and then this will proceed and download the latest features that comes with this app. Now, once the download is done, it will go ahead and install the app, and from here you'll have the latest version of Filmora app on your smartphone. You can now proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Filmora app. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.